Hare Krishna. I am Radha Mohini Mohandas from the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, and we welcome you to Shri Shri Radha Raj Bihari Temple, Juhu, ISKCON. The topic for discussion today is how to purify our thoughts. Yes, it is a very good question, because to get our real goal, purifying the thought is very important. Without purifying our thoughts, we cannot get peace of mind. And without peace of mind, very difficult to clean the subtle body, clean the consciousness. And without pure, clean consciousness, we cannot go back to Godhead. So how to purify our thoughts? To purify our thoughts, first requirement is we should be in our true constitutional position that I am soul and I am part and parcel of Supreme Lord and I am servant of the Lord. When we are in this consciousness, in Krishna consciousness, the thoughts which will come to our mind will not be materialistic. We will not have materialistic thought to fulfill the desires of our senses. We will be having thoughts which will lead us to serve the Supreme Lord. So to purify the thoughts, the first requirement is we should remain in our constitutional position that I am soul. And we should always remain in Krishna consciousness, that is thinking about serving the Lord. Along with this, to strengthen this thought process, the requirement is we should associate maximum with devotees. We should avoid association with materialistic people. Otherwise, our thoughts will become materialistic. Along with association, the next requirement is we should do our regular chanting very attentively. Our prescribed minimum 16 rounds should be very attentive. Apart from this, we should spend our time in reading and hearing Prabhupada's books. When we hear Prabhupada's lectures, great Vaishnavas lectures and bhajan and song, and we read Prabhupada's books, our thoughts will be related to Krishna consciousness activities. So this way, by dovetailing our thoughts with Krishna conscious activities, we can purify our thoughts, and with purified thoughts, we can purify our mind and the contaminations of our consciousness. Hare Krishna.